Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and I'll show you how you can manually switch media play when you are connected to your iOS device. In this case I'm using iPhone XR. So as you can see, I'm on the YouTube and I'm gonna play this music. Okay, let's stop it. And when I open the case, it's still playing on the iPhone, but when you put one of the earpods to the ear, it will just automatically change. But sometimes it's not working, so how we can fix it? Take a look. You have to simply open the notification, the control center, tap right here, and then you have to switch from the iPhone to your AirPods, just like that. And right now, when I'm going to play sound, it will go through my AirPods. I can just volume up, and I will put it close to the microphone to show you that it really works. I hope that you can hear it. So as you can see, it's working, and basically that's all. That's how you can manually switch media play to your AirPods 3. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.